How to make walk animation in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our game, and then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just import a rig, which is right here. So you can get that on the toolbox. So on the search bar, just search for R6. And then in this part, all you have to do is to just choose which one you would like to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. So once you do that, once you added that into your world, what we are going to do next is to click on the avatar. After that, go on the animation editor, which is right here, and then click on the rig, which is right here. Now in this part, what we are going to do is to just animate the character. So you can use this. So edit that by just, let's say, for example, rotating this one like that, and then at the end, this is how it should look like that. And then after that, let's go here on the three dots, which is right here, and make sure that the set animation priority is on action. And then after that, once you do that, let's say, for example, that this is your walk animation. So what we're going to do is to go back right here, and then we're going to click on Publish to Roblox. And then for the title, of course, we're going to name that walk. And then after that, of course, for the creator, you can just choose me. And then, of course, click Save, which is right here. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to click the Close button right here. And then what we're going to do next is to click on Home once again, and then click the Play button. After that, remove this animation editor. And then in this part, just go here on the workspace under the Explorer, and then go here and look for your character, which is right here. So click the drop down button, and then go here on the animate. So we're going to copy that. Once you copy that, we're going to click on Stop once again. And then we're going to paste it under the starter player, and then go here on the starter character scripts. So we're going to paste that right there. So once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on the drop down button once again, and then just look for the walk animation. So this is where it is located. So we're going to click on that. Then what we're going to do next is to look for the animation ID, which is right here. So to do that, to change that, what we're going to do is to go here on the inventory, which is right here, and then click on My Models, and then click My Animations. So we're going to right click on the walk and then copy asset ID. Once you do that on the animation ID, we're going to paste it right there, and then just click Enter. After that, what we're going to do is to go here on the animate once again, right click on it, and then click open. In this part, we're going to look for the walk section or the walk animation. And then on this part, you will see this number. What we're going to do is to remove that and replace that with the asset ID that we have just copied. So paste it right there. And then in this part, we're going to click on tab. And then after that, once you do that, that should probably it. That is how to make walk animation in Roblox Studio.